Hello YouTube. What I have here is a Raleno set of lights. It comes two in this package. It's the S192K. In this unboxing here, you're only seeing one because I'm actually using the other one to get me some better lighting. So I did purchase this to improve some of my YouTube videos. This is not in a sponsored review by any means. I purchased this myself. Thought that this was the ideal setup for me based on pricing. It has a built-in battery, which I think is convenient. You don't need to be plugging it in all the time. You have several options there. The lights, as you can see, you can go up or down within the brightness and also the temperature of the lights. So now it's at 3200K and it is kind of more warm type of light. And if you just go all the way up to 5600, then it's a lot colder. It's more bright and white. And you have this from 0 to 100 for the brightness and intensity. Yeah, pretty cool. I'll have a shot later where I show the setup, and it's kind of a live example of what kind of lights and illumination you can get out of this set. There is a switch on and off right there. And the other thing I want to highlight here, it comes with two of each of the items I'm showing here. There's going to be two of each. So two power bricks. There will be two mounting points. And this mounting gives the articulation to tilt the lights on a different angle. I saw other models that doesn't come with this, and then you get stuck with in one position only. So I think it's handy to have this available. I really like the tripod that comes with it. The stand is pretty nice and well built, although there are some plastic parts. I'll get there in a minute in a close-up shot and you see. Just playing a little bit here with, you know, the color temperature. So getting the stand right there. So like I was saying, the stand here, it's very nice. Feels like metal with a nice coating on top. All of these extension nuts here, they're all plastic, so I don't know durability if this is gonna last a long time or not. But you see fully extended how far it goes. I'll have a shot where you can see it gets pretty high, and it's perfect to illuminate things that are on top of the table. It's very easy to set it up. You just pull those legs open, makes that triangle shape, and holds itself pretty well. Look how big this is, and it's not fully extended yet. Going a little bit from behind, I have this light which is part of this set. Again, this is not fully extended, but you can have a great idea how high this goes, right? To install, you just put that piece over there and you screw in place, and later you screw the lights on top. Now turning these lights on and turning to the opposite direction where I'm recording, you can see my cachaça collection over there, and you get some nice illumination throughout the room. I have these small lights that are set next to it, but that doesn't provide a lot of lights. So in this shot you can see when it's set at 80 for 4200K, the second light here it's fully extended, it gets pretty high, 100% at 4600K as well. So everything you're seeing here in this shot, you'll get two, right? So two lights, two power bricks, two of those articulation heads, and two tripods. Hope that this video helped you somehow. Consider leaving your comments, like, dislike, ask questions. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.